Two ways to tag someone on Twitter. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is Kate here, and on today's video I will guide you how you can tag someone on Twitter with two different ways. So without any further delay, let's get started. First of all, launch your Twitter application in your mobile device and make sure that you're logged in. Now to tag someone, the first way is to create a post. For that, navigate to your profile. After that, you will see the plus icon at the bottom right corner. Tap on it. Now once you land on your post piece, here all you have to do is type in @. Now you have to type in the name of the person that you want to tag. For example, I have this username right here. Now you can make a post and tag this contact here. For that, tap on the post at the top right corner. So this was the first way to tag someone. Now the second way is to visit your profile. So once you're on your home page, you can use the search icon to navigate to their profile. Once you're on their profile, all you have to do is tap on the plus icon at the bottom right corner, and then the contact is now tagged. Again, you can create a post, and that's the way to tag someone on Twitter with two different ways. That's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you are new to our channel, consider subscribing. Do not forget to like, and if you have any comments, feel free to drop them down. Thank you for watching, and I will see you on the next video.